Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact failure. Is the clip soldered, sewn, or snapped off? Once identified, position the extension on a flat surface and secure nearby hair with sectioning clips so nothing shifts. Thread a sharp curved needle with polyester thread that matches the weft. Polyester resists moisture and tension. Make sure the replacement clip aligns with the original stitch holes. Now move quickly. Remove only the damaged clip and any frayed thread. Position the new clip so its screw holes match the old stitch line. Test alignment by sitting it on the weft without tension. Then use a doubled strand of polyester and start a lock stitch through the weft and clip base. Push needle from underside, loop over the clip bar, and return through the weft. Repeat 6 to 8 tight passes to distribute stress. Make sure stitches sit close together so the clip won't pivot. Once secure, tie a strong knot underneath and bury it with 2 extra securing stitches to finish. After trimming the thread close, crimp any exposed metal edges and test the clip by attaching it to a small section of your hair and gently shaking to simulate movement. If you notice wobble, add 2 to 3 reinforcing stitches through the adjacent weft layers to spread the load. If the weft fabric is torn, apply a tiny fabric glue patch, let it dry fully, then restitch into the reinforced area. Finally, inspect for sharp points, and you're ready to wear the extension confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.